and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where I'm here at SeaWorld Orlando on Icebreaker. Brand new ride, only opened just over a month ago. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. Manufactured by Premier Rides. It's a Skyrocket model and I'm on the back row. Here we go. So yeah, we just moved out the station, moving across on the transfer now. And of course it's a multi-pass launch, so we're going to start off with a slow launch backwards. Oh yes, a little pop of airtime already there. Woo! And up the spike. 93 foot tall, that is. Woo! Hey! Oh! And here we go. Ready for the big launch backwards now. Up that spike. Woo! Oh! Hey! 100-degree spike. Here we go. Woo! Up to 52 miles an hour now. Woo! Hey! Oh my God, that ejector airtime into the top hat. Woo! Oh! Woo! Hey! Whoa! There's some good bits of ejector. Hey! Woo! Oh! Nice bit of sideward banking there. Woo! Oh, it was really good fun. Nice fun ride that was. Not too intense at all, but some surprising ejector airtime in some places where you wouldn't expect it. Not really any floater on that. It's literally full-on ejector airtime on that ride. But yeah, at least it can run 2 trains as well with it having the transfer that moves it across. But yeah, really good ride. Nice to get on there. And yeah, there you go. Thank you for joining me here on Theme Park Worldwide. And that leaves me with one final thing to say. Get out there, keep on riding. See you in the next video.